Hey, what's going on, guys? Destra here from DestraMoniz.com, and in today's live video I wanted to talk to you guys about how to go about using social media to grow your network marketing business. So if you've been struggling to figure out how to use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of these different platforms out there, there's a certain way that you can use particular the platform that I personally like to use is Facebook, because there's just so much more versatility in using this platform rather than other platforms that I've tried to grow an audience in. So the first thing that you want to do when you're starting to grow your network marketing business using social media is you want to build curiosity into your posts. You want to remove any mention of your company name or your products and talk about and create posts that generate curiosity rather than resistance. So if you see other people out there, just promoting, or maybe you fall into this category of just promoting the company name and the company products, what people can do when they find out the name of your company or product is they can go to Google to actually take a look at what the products are and then make a decision on whether or not they are going to buy. And usually when that happens, you actually lose the lead, and they can put their company name into Google and then you'll actually start to lose all of your leads. They'll actually start to be going to Google because that's where they're going to. If you build curiosity within your post and you have people reach out to you on what your products are, then then you can actually have a conversation with them before they actually go to Google or try to make a buying decision. So you build that relationship with people because they reach out to you, and it sets the interaction on the right foot. You want to be able to build that relationship first, and you provide them value by letting them know about your products or services without them going to Google and trying to figure it out on their own. So number two for using social media to grow your network marketing business is you want to weave lifestyle into your social media posts. So for me personally, like I breakdance, so I go to breakdance classes here and there, and I usually weave my company products into that lifestyle. So let's say that the other night I went to a breaking class, and I got worked really hard, and I did a post on my post-workout regimen after a strenuous workout, because I'm part of a health and wellness company. So those are different ways for you to be able to weave your own personal lifestyle into your social media posts and actually, create curiosity without actually mentioning your company's name or your company's products. So number three is you want to focus on building the relationship first, not selling. So if you've ever been, messaged a link right off the bat, that that's probably not the best way to go about promoting your network marketing opportunity or your products, because you haven't established that relationship first. Focus on just getting to know the person before you actually recommend a product, a service, or an opportunity, because people do business with other people that they know, like, and trust. If they don't know you, if you just message them out of the blue with a specific link, it's going to be it's going to be viewed as spam. I know you've probably ran into this before. A good analogy that I like to say a lot is if you're at a mall and you're being approached by the people at the kiosks, the reason that we turn away or we move away from them is because we're not interested in being sold to. People like to buy, but they don't like the feeling of being sold to, and that usually happens if you haven't established the relationship first. So focus on building the relationship first, not selling, and think of it long term. You want to build relationships now, and then which will develop into future business partners or customers down the road. And focus on just building the relationship, getting to know people. Focus on just expanding your network, and that's what we are doing in using social media. We're actually expanding our warm network, and that's one of the tips that I learned from the Attraction Marketing Summit that's going on right now. So number four is to brand yourself. So let's say that you are in a health and wellness company. You want to start branding yourself as someone who can help other people, get their beach body back, to be able to get their health back, to be able to get on track, after a health scare. You want to be able to provide valuable content to them that will help solve their problems. So whatever niche you're in, if you're in finance, if you're in health and wellness, if you're in skincare, whatever that, or if you're in makeup, whatever that niche is, make sure that you're providing valuable content for that targeted audience who want to learn more about your particular niche. So number 5 is to build communities with your customers and team members. So if you can use Facebook groups to be able to build communities by providing just valuable information for them within the specific group, and interact with people and actually grow that Facebook group by providing valuable content to them, to what's important to them. So if you think about it, most businesses are always going to have more customers than franchises. I mean, in network marketing, it's the same. You're going to have more customers than you are going to have team members. So just keep that in mind, and provide stories, provide testimonials, provide different valuable content that you can give to other customers to be able to educate them, to inspire them, to educate or inspire them to take a look at what you have going on, to let them know that your products or services can help solve their particular problems. And with team members, provide valuable content. If you've been watching the Attraction Marketing Summit that's going on this week, then make sure that you're providing valuable content when it comes to how to build a business online. You could do so many things when it comes to doing things online and using Facebook as a platform to grow your network marketing business. So hope you guys get value from this video. If you get value from it, drop me a fire emoji down below. If you're watching the replay, just comment #replay. And hope you guys get value from this. If you like the information that I've been sharing with you, shoot me a private message if you're looking to learn how to build your business online. If you're a network marketer or an online marketer, affiliate marketer, whatever you may be, if you want to learn more about how to go about using social media to grow an online business, then shoot me a private message, and I'll also drop a link to my newsletter down below. And with that, hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll talk to you guys soon.